Hey guys, today I've got my outline sketched onto my chipboard, which I've already painted with a mixture of raw sienna, white, and yellow. But anything close to that will work. Now the first thing I'm doing with flat synthetic brush, a small flat thin synthetic brush, is painting the flower pot with the burnt sienna. And then at the bottom, I want it to be a little bit darker for shadow. So I'm using the raw umber. And then right here under the lip and right inside the pot. And then I've highlighted it with a mixture of burnt sienna and white. And then I've mixed up some green with yellow and blue to paint the leaves, and then kind of a watered down brown for the stem. Now this background is a mixture of white and raw sienna, and I know it looks like it's just white, and just white is fine, but I did put a little bit of raw sienna in it, and I'm just very loosely brushing that on, and I want to leave quite a bit of my background showing, little specks of it here and there. So right here I'm using a smaller brush to go around the plant. All right, now the face, believe it or not, this is white and burnt sienna, but I'll be coming back to that and adding shades anyway. So, and then the hair is kind of a watered down raw umber, and I'm still using that same flat synthetic brush. And on the hair, I want to leave a lot of that background showing so that it will highlight it. All right, now the shirt is a pale blue. I've just mixed some white with just a touch of phthalo blue. And then the coveralls are blue with just a touch of white. And I did put a touch of brown in there too, just to kind of dull it down. So it really depends on what shade of denim that you want. But again, keep in mind that you want to leave little specks of that background showing, so try to avoid painting it solid. It's easy to do that and get caught up and just paint the whole thing. So right here I'm just adding a darker shade of that blue, just less white in it for shadows. And then I wanted my shoes to be red. And now that shirt is dry, I'm coming back with just plain white to highlight it, and I don't want to cover up all of that light blue, so this is just a highlight. Now with the larger flat brush, I'm using watered down brown to put the lines between the boards, and then once those are dry, I'm coming back with watered down brown, like more watered down, and just kind of adding some texture, I guess, to the floor. And then right up against the wall, I'm using my hog bristle brush to scrub in some brown without watering it down. Just scrub in some brown as kind of a shadow right in the corner. And then this is watered down brown with the hog bristle brush to just kind of, on the lower part of the wall, I just want it to be a little bit darker. Now I'm coming back again with the dark color to kind of darken some of my shadows. And then with red and brown mixture, I'm putting a shadow at the bottom of the shoes. And now a little bit darker blue for the shirt in places, and that same color for the pants as a highlight. So it's a shadow color for the shirt and a highlight color for the pants, for the overalls. Coming back with white again to put a final highlight on the shirt. And now on the skin, this is watered down burnt sienna. And so just in places, I want it to be a little bit darker to give it some dimension. And now I'm going over my leaves again. All right, so with the hog bristle brush, this is just brown again. I'm scrubbing in a shadow for the pot. I want it to be really dark right up against the pot and then get lighter as it comes out. And the same thing here with the right around the shoes. So this will be a shadow for the boy. Darker right up against the shoes. Now I'm just coming back with some final details. Not that I want this real detailed because this is supposed to be very loose, but I do want that some dark areas so that it looks deeper in places. This is a fairly simple painting. It's just kind of filling in the spaces, but the main thing to remember is to allow that background color to show through in places, just little specks of it here and there. And that's it, guys. Hope y'all enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and God bless you.